Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are going to see array implementation of stack abstract data type. Before going to the program, we can see what is stack. A list for which insert and delete are allowed only at one end of the list, the top, that is before last in first out. Uh, to say that it is the most commonly used ADT, that is abstract data type. For example, you can take a deck of cards, undo sequence in a text editor. These all come under examples of stack. Their page visited history in a web browser. As I said, undo sequence, saving local variables. This diagram push adding inserting element, and the same way pop is um, deleting an element. Push and pop are the main two functions of operations of stack. These are the operations of stack. Creating a list for stack. Push is the inserting element, as I said. Top or peak, it's just written the top element. If the element is not there, it just prints stack underflow or it is an error, anything. Then it's a pop. Pop is remove and return top element, and is full and is empty. Checks whether the stack is full and empty respectively. These are the algorithm for push and algorithm for pop. We can see these algorithms during program. So now we can see the program array implementation of stack ADT. Yeah, to create our aim is to create a stack and implement the functions such as push, pop, peek, and display. These are the four main functions. So now first step in this program is creating a stack, that is class. See, now we are creating the class, created class stack ADT, and initializing the object and value exists value here. So we are giving get the size of stack, that is max. So we are getting the size, then declare an array s of size max for stack. So we are declaring a variable, and the top initialization value, always the initialization value of top is minus 1. Initialize top to minus 1. So first step of algorithm is creating this class, and we can check. The second step is checking is empty and is full, that is whether a stack is empty or a stack is full. So we are seeing here algorithm is, if top is max minus 1, return true, otherwise else false. Yeah. If you see, if you take a stack, for example, values up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can check that if we remove a value from a stack and remaining there are 4 values. So we can say that the stack is still full. Now, if you take an empty, see here, if top is equal to minus 1, return true. That is, there is no values in the stack. So it is an empty. We are just checking whether a stack is empty or it is full. Now we are coming to main function, that is push. As we saw the algorithm, if stack is full, get the value. If the stack is full, return the stack is full. Otherwise, get the value a to be inserted, increment top, assign a to s of top. Yeah, we can see in the program. I will explain that. Yeah. So I'm defining do of do push, that is it's working syntax, and I have given the stack and the top and also the variable where the values are stored. Now the stack is, we know the stack is full, so it's printing the stack is full. Now the top is incremented by one value. In push function we can insert, so it is incremented by one value, that is stack of top is equal to a, so return the top. So we are inserting a value that is incrementing. This operator is main operator used in push operation. Now next we are seeing pop. This opposite to push, that is it's removing and returning the remaining elements. That is same way, here it is incrementing operator, here it is decrementing by 1. So this is top. If it is empty, shows the stack is empty, otherwise it decrements. Then we are coming to peak. Peak or top, we can say. This just function just returns the top element. If the stock is empty, it just prints stock underflow, or it also we can give error that's according to your printing message. Otherwise, it returns the top. Then we are coming to display message. The display message is uh, prints the current stock. For example, from 5 we have inserted 6, so there are 6, and again from 6 we have deleted 2 elements, that is pop. So remaining there are 4 elements. So display operation shows the 4 numbers. So we have seen the main 4 function, that is push for inserting an element, pop for removing an element, and peek for returning to top element. Also display for displaying the current elements which are in that stack. And coming to the end, we have to uh, see the stack. We have to implement stack size, and we have to implement the operations like push, pop, peek, display. So I am writing the see this program. Max is equal to we are giving the user input, that is enter the stack size, and same way as I given in first, the maximum number, that is the box is now empty, and top is now initialized to -1. So we are going to write this. We all know that while loop is used to execute a block of statement. So I give while one, print, I give all the functions, and I also give the character choice. Now if choice is equal to 1, the it implements push operation, that is you have to enter the value to be pushed, then only it will be inserted. Then I am giving 2, that is for pop, then it removes an element, then 3 it speak if there is, sorry, if there is element, it returns to top element. Otherwise, the stock is underflow. Next is display. It displays the current elements, and finally, it's break. It breaks the given elements. And sorry, it executes, terminates the loop. So we can run this program. It's asking the stock size. So I'm giving two two number of elements. Then it's asking my choice. So I'm giving first. I'm going from start. Push. I'm giving. So I'm giving value 1. So it again asks. So I have already given 2 stack size. So I'm giving again push, and I am giving 2. With this, I am going to give my second choice, that is pop. Pop. It removes an element. So it again I'm going to give pop, and we can see all 2 elements are removed or not, because I gave 2 times pop. Now I am giving a peak. Peak just returns the top element. Yeah. So our element is empty. So it's showing stock underflow. We can check by using display. See, your program is showing none, output is none, because I gave 2 pop, so every element in the stack is removed and there are currently no elements. So I am ending this program by giving break. So the program is terminated. This is the array implementation of Stack ADT. Thank you.